We're going to look at using the present simple tense for timetables and schedules. We use the present simple for general truths and facts, like the sun rises in the east, habits and regular routines, like I check my email every day, permanent situations, like Peter works in a bank, and fixed future events like timetables and schedules. So let's take a look at some of those timetables and schedules. The train leaves at 6:30 p.m. tonight. The flight arrives at 9 p.m. The shop opens at 8 a.m. So you can see we're using the present simple, the subject, plus the base verb with S for he, she, and it. Even though these are future events, they're not going to happen until 6:30 tonight or 9 p.m. or at 8 a.m. But nevertheless, we're using the present simple because these are things that are scheduled to happen. So if they're regular, timetabled events, they don't change. It's an official schedule and it's not a personal plan, then we're going to use the present simple. Let's compare this now with the present continuous. My train is leaving at 6:30 tonight. Her flight is arriving at 9 p.m. Here we have the subject plus be plus the base verb and ing on the end. So this is the present continuous. My train is leaving at 6:30 tonight. We're going to use this if it's for personal plans or arrangements. So it's not exactly timetabled, but it's my own personal plan to get on my train tonight at 6:30. So remember, if it's written on a timetable or a schedule, use the present simple. If it's your personal plan, use the present continuous. The train leaves at 9 a.m. is timetabled. I'm leaving at 9 a.m. is my plan.